Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can resize your columns in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in a simple Wix editor, and when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see like all your columns here. So now what you want to do is just be simply when you're gonna be in, you want to click on like strip. Don't be on columns. You want to click here on layout, and in layout, you're gonna see customize proportion. So you can simply resize it as much as you want. So if you want to have like the middle much bigger, you can do it. So that's pretty much it. And this is how you do it. It's pretty simple, right? So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.